Grok video generation just went paid, and most people think you need a subscription now, but I found a website that still lets you access Grok completely free. And the crazy part is, you can generate up to 10-second videos in full 720p quality without paying anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Not only that, this platform also gives you access to a huge collection of AI models for both image and video generation, all in one place. But for this video, let's focus on how to use Grok video generation for free. First, head over to this secret website and create an account. Don't worry, I will tell you the website name later in the video. As soon as you sign up, you'll instantly get 50 free credits. Then after logging in, click on the gift icon right here. You can claim daily reward credits every single day. And once you claim today's reward, your balance should go up to around 70 credits total. Now head over to the video section. In the model selection, choose the Grok video model. Right here, you'll see all the generation settings. If you open the duration option, you can generate videos up to 10 seconds long video. And in the quality section, you can select 720p quality, which is honestly impressive for free generation. Now, let me type this simple prompt. Choose the aspect ratio to 16.9 and hit generate. It will take around a minute to generate the video. I will see you once the generation is completed. Alright, the generation just finished, and this is what we got.
Oh no, I'm late! Gotta run! So many pedals today! I can make it!
Honestly, this looks really good. You can preview the video right here, download it directly, and the quality is actually solid considering this is free. And it's not just video generation. You can also generate AI images for free on the same platform. Just head over to the image section, select the Grok image model, type your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and if you want to enhance the prompt, then you can do it by clicking this button. But for now, I will leave this add-in. Alright, it took only around 30 seconds to generate images, and honestly, the results are impressive. It generated around 6 images at a time, and all the images looks absolutely crazy. The one thing I really like is that this platform doesn't only provide Grok. You also get access to multiple AI models in one dashboard, including newer image generation and video generation models. So yeah, that's how you can access Grok image and video generation for free using the platform luinex.com. I will put the website link in the description and comments below. If this video helped you out, leave a like and drop a comment, because I'll be posting more free AI tools and tutorials like this. See you in the next video.